Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a jewelry subscription box from mintMONGOOSE, and they do ship worldwide. That's a really good thing. It comes in this amazing teal holographic bubble mail bag, so if you want to know what's inside this, do keep watching. Okay guys, so mintMONGOOSE is a US brand that do subscription boxes, but they also sell jewelry pieces. So you can either subscribe to a box or you can buy individual jewelry things on their site. Now mintMONGOOSE was kind enough to send me one of their subscription boxes, which is this right here. It comes with 3 jewelry pieces, and this retails for $12 US, which is about equivalent to about 10-11 euros here in Malta, and they do ship worldwide. That's very important for me that they do ship internationally, because obviously I'm an international buyer. I tend to have problems buying things when it comes to subscription boxes that's sent to Malta, so that was something I really wanted to look into, and they do that. So the mint, sorry about my cat, he keeps meowing, I don't know what's wrong with him. So basically this is a subscription box, comes with different subscription boxes, you can say. So you can either get one for a month, you can get one for 3 months, or you can get for 6 months, but there's no cancellation fee. So that's very good. For anyone wondering if you want to opt out, you can. There's no cancellation fee, so they're not going to hold your cash or anything like that. I think they would just give everything back to you, so it's very good. So this is the box right here. It's so cute. I'm going to zoom in for you guys to see. It's a lovely box with a teal ribbon and this kind of waxy stamp in the front. Gorgeous. And then we can open it and go through what they sent me. Okay, so I opened it from the back, and this looks like it's sealed from the front, I think because of the stamp. And I can open it from the side, and let's see what they have gifted us for this video. Okay, so the first thing I see is candy. I'm seeing, oh, Werther's Original. It's like they knew it. I love these. I love anything toffee. You put it aside and eat it after this video, and not during, because I'm so tempted. Okay, so the first thing I'm seeing here is a thank you card from mintMONGOOSE saying, "Yay, it's here. Be sure to share photos or videos of your new favorite mintMONGOOSE jewelry pieces with the tag #mintMONGOOSE to be entered to win a free month." So I guess if you take a picture with your mintMONGOOSE subscription box jewelry pieces, you can win a box, which is great. I'm going to take pictures after. Okay, so everything's wrapped in this gorgeous mint wrapping paper, and I like how everything's in the same thing. So mintMONGOOSE, mint things, teal colors, gorgeous. Now I asked for gold pieces. She did ask me in the email what I was interested in, so I'm so excited to see what she sent me. Okay, so I'm seeing 3 pieces here. Oh my god, they're gorgeous. Let's see. So the first ones are a pair of earrings, and there's something on the side here which is spend $40 on individual items in our shop and receive your next box for free. See item listings for details. So that's cute. So if you spend $40, which is around 32 euros, you can get your box for free, which is great. So these are really cute. Oh, I love how they're like imprinted on the back with their logo. Amazing. So I'm going to open these and show you guys these in front. So they're a really nice, gorgeous, like tealy olive kind of gold earring stud. They're really, really nice and very gorgeous. And there's a matching, oh, this is really nice. I think everything's matching, which is really cool. In the next one here, there's a matching necklace, from what I'm saying, in the same olive kind of, olive, I think it's square, so basically the same thing. So it's a matching like set, which is really nice. So you've got the matching necklace with the matching earrings, and then there's a really nice necklace. Again, gold tone. I love gold tone, and it's this really gorgeous red necklace. Oh my god, this is so nice. I really, really like this. Guys, these are this is an amazing box, considering you get matching items, really gorgeous pieces, and it's $12. So for me, for 10 euros, I would repurchase this more than once, because they're matching jewelry, and I personally I'm one to really like these kind of matchy things, because I don't really buy a lot of jewelry because I'm very picky. So if someone does it for me, it's like I have a personal shopper when it comes to earrings and jewelry, and I think I really like it. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you did. Thumbs up if you enjoyed how nice they are and how cute and gorgeous they are. And for a subscription box for just $12 again, I think it's really good. And it's a really nice selection on their website, so if you want to go on the website, I'll leave a link down below for you guys to see. Make sure you thumbs up this video if you haven't already, subscribe if you haven't as well, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a lovely day wherever in the world you are in the world, and go subscribe to mintMONGOOSE. I think I might subscribe myself after this. It's a really nice gesture, and I really like how everything is like a set, like a piece. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.